Hey, Robert Kiefer here with HydroHero, and we are down in a crawl space here in Frankford, Delaware, and I'm going to take you guys along with this inspection and point out some things that you should look for in your crawl space and why it's a great idea to have some crawl space drainage installed and then in crawl space encapsulation. Let's go check this out. Okay, so here we are in this crawl space, and the first thing you can see is there is multiple different liners here. Now, the reason that this one is that orangish reddish color is a bacteria known as iron ore bacteria that's in the water. If you can look down over there, I'm not sure if you can see, but there is a ton of water over in that corner. So I don't want to get any closer there, so you're going to need drainage there. You can see the water line all along the perimeter here. That's how far it's wicking up and coming up, and you can see all through there nothing but a bunch of water. I'll point out some other things as I first came in here. The dryer vent line has become disconnected. It's popping all that hot humid air and all the lint down into the crawl space as well. As you come through here, you see there's a heater here. Don't know why. That's been plugged in to try to dry this out. That is a super electrical hazard there. That is no good. And as you guys can see, the insulation's falling everywhere. That bladder tank is going to be rusted out here soon. That's probably going to need to be replaced. But I can see all the way down back in there, completely flooded out. So a lot of drainage is going to be needed here around the perimeter. So again, the water primarily comes up from the ground. On the other side, you have what's called the ball effect, and as that water is seeping into the ground, it goes underneath the footer, comes up around the perimeter in most cases, and starts flooding out the entire crawl space, and you end up with this mess. So sometimes you can go a couple years or many years without a water problem, and the way your landscape actually changes, any little thing that can change, is trees growing, things of that nature, bushes growing, can change how the soil's set, and then turn around and lead to a massive amount of water intrusion as well. So those are just a couple things you want to think about. So just because it's been dry for a couple years doesn't mean you really shouldn't invest in a good drainage system in your crawl space so you don't end up in a situation like this. And you should always think about encapsulation, because if you have an open crawl space without it being encapsulated and having a professional grade dehumidifier and a wireless monitor that makes sure that everything's working 24/7, you can end up in this very bad situation, and this is going to be very costly to fix, as you probably know. Anyways, if you have any crawl space issues, please give HydroHero a call at 302-321-7077. Nationwide, we'll answer your questions too, and that's you can reach us on that at 1-888-490-HERO. And you can find us on the web at hydrohero.com. If you're watching this on YouTube, please give us a like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks so much. Have a great day.